What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm filming a little online unboxing and we're gonna do an updated skincare routine because this is so needed right now because my skin has been going through so many phases lately. You guys know the deal, I never show the other side because it has all my shipping information, but this is the box from Sephora. We have some goodies in here, so let's just open her. I didn't feel like looking for my purple scissors, so I'm just gonna use my tweezers and literally just open this box up. But I'm excited to see what we have in here. This is gonna be kind of fun. I'm gonna like tweezers and grind. I'm excited, guys. Alrighty guys, so now that she's open, let me just show you. I have a bunch of goodies in here, you guys, and I'm like so excited to show you the stuff that I ordered. This is kind of stuff that was like I needed and it was just sitting in my car, and I just decided to place an order because some things are out of stock in stores, so I thought it makes more sense to just order everything online. So, yeah. Alright guys, so what should we start with? Let's start with the beauty stuff first. No, actually, let's do hair care first. So the first thing I ordered was some Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. I love this stuff, you guys. I gave it a break when I went through the whole blonde process and going back darker, but this is my all-time favorite hair oil. I love it. I actually still have my other one, but it's like so low. I decided to order another one, and I literally love Olaplex. Like, I stand by their brand and their products. I think it's done wonders to my hair, and I just love it. This is what the bottle looks like if you guys don't know. It's like a lightweight oil. I pretty much just do it on my ends up to my roots and just like all throughout my hair whenever I need it. It smells so good, you guys. I love this little thing. It's so cute. Alrighty guys, so I decided to wash my hair the other week and that was a whole process, but I needed some things added. Because right now I currently only have like a shampoo and I don't even have a conditioner or a hair mask, just because I usually go to the hair salon, but I wanted to just do it myself this time. So I had to order something, so I ordered this hair mask. Went through a whole bunch of different brands to find a hair mask. Ended up ordering the one that was just sitting in my car. I went through like TikTok reviews and all of that stuff of like best hair mask. I decided I would rather buy a hair mask versus a conditioner because I feel like my hair has been so dry lately, and with the blonde and stuff you really have to take care of it, so decided a hair mask. So this is from Color Wow. This is the Chris Appleton plus Color Wow Money Mask for super glossy, expensive looking hair. I've used this already, guys, but I love this stuff. It's amazing. I think this smell is, it smells okay. Like, I don't know, it kind of smells like a moisturizer, like a lotion to me, with a hint of fragrance, but I think it's really good. So guys, when I apply this hair mask, I just section my hair off. I let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes in my hair, and then I detangled my hair, and when I tell you, my hair was so soft, so butter smooth. It never felt more nourished and hydrated, so I will be buying the big one. Also, I just wanted the mini just to test it out, and yeah. So guys, I re-upped on a few beauty products as well, and then I'm testing out this new little lip thing. We'll get into that. But I love Saie Beauty. You guys know I'm so obsessed with that brand. They have really great products. And I just had this one shade from my first ever purchase from Saie Beauty, and it was called Dreamy. It was their liquid dew blush, and obsessed. Used it the whole year, never had any problems. I love the pigment. Actually, I'm wearing it today, but this is like the old one that like barely has any in, so I ordered 2 of them. So I'm so excited, you guys. This is what it looks like. I love Saie Beauty. Like, this is honestly the only blush that I need. I just love the shade. I love the pigment of it. I'm gonna open it for you guys and show you. So guys, this is what the blush looks like. It just says Saie, and I love the packaging. It's so cute with the little black lid and the translucent like little bottle, and it is a stick, so literally you just dot it wherever you want it to go. I feel like this one picks up so good on the top of my eyelids. I didn't put on my eyelids today, I should have, but I just love it. It doesn't really have a smell. It kind of smells like makeup or like, I don't know, like crayons or something melted, but Anyways, I love this shade so much and I'm so happy that I have my hands on this. I wanted it for a long time and it was sold out in the store, and I was like, I do not want to place an order like just for one blush. It makes absolutely no sense. So I just kept it in my cart, and then slowly but surely I added more things, and here we are with this big haul. There's this brand called Fresh, and I discovered it from Sephora years ago when they would give like birthday gifts. I chose like their little cleanser and moisturizing set, and I was obsessed with it ever since. That would be the only skincare I would buy from Sephora when I was willing to spend that much for skincare. But I loved it, and then like my skin went through all these phases and stuff, so now I can't really use that product as much, but I still highly recommend it. Like, I've given it out for Christmas and birthday gifts to people because that's how much I love it. But I've noticed that they always have this like lip balm, lip care stuff, and I always wanted to try it, but I can never get myself to buy it. So I ordered it, added it to my cart, and here we are. This is, I thought it makes sense to just get this because it's like a little set. Okay, so it has 3 lip treatments with different shades, and then 1 for like advanced therapy. My lips have been so dry lately, you guys, and I think it's more so of like me not being hydrated enough, and it's just showing like in my skin and my lips. Like, they're so cracked and chappy lately, and I'm not really loving that look. So I thought I'd get a little lip balm and see how this is. I am so excited. I kind of want to test this out right now, but I have this little lippy on. Using my tweezers again, guys, because I need it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, that's the little opening of it. All right. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's so cute. Why can't I like not get this out? All right, so this one is, wow, they're so tiny. They're a lot smaller than I expected, but I love that because like just throwing it in my pocket and stuff, like obsessed already. And I don't know if it's tiny because it's like a dual set or what, but I absolutely love the size. This would be perfect to just throw in your bag, your pocket. So this one is rose. We're gonna smell all of them, and why can I not open this, you guys? Like, what's going on today? It's like a twist. Okay, I think he twisted. So this is rose. It smells like a flower. It smells really good. I wonder if it's like pigmented. I feel like it's a very sheer light tint to it, but I love this already. I know I'm gonna like be using this so much, you guys. The second one is called Honey. We love honey. Note to self, you twist this, you don't just like pull it up. That's why I was like, I couldn't open it. They smell good. Also another sheer tint. I will also show you guys on my hand the swatch, but I don't think it's gonna pick up well because it's just like a little tint. It does smell like honey. It's so cute. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, also something I'll be willing to give to someone for Christmas or like a little birthday gift set, add-on gift. My favorite one, because it's pink, obviously it's gonna be the first one I'm gonna use, you guys. This one is called Bloom, and just twist it up. They all smell very similar. Like, they smell more earthy and like natural, if that makes sense, but it smells really good. And I love this color. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Oh, I forgot to twist the bottom. All right, this last one is a little bit different. This one is their advanced therapy, so I'm assuming it's more hydrating and like more things are in here. Just gonna twist this one off. Ooh, this one's clear. Yeah, literally they all smell. It just broke, you guys. I don't know how to feel about that. Okay, I'm gonna need to get a new set now, but that sucks. Okay, it's good. I feel like this one is a lot more of a soft texture than the rest of these. Like, I was able to swatch them without that happening, and then this one just kind of like broke apart, but I don't know, they're still really cute. I think I would just like let Sephora know like, hey, can I get a replacement for this one? But it's cute. They all smell the same, very earthy, very light. These are the shades. Honestly, guys, I'm not even sure if that little swatch picked up because they're like very sheer, but I think I like these a lot and I'm gonna keep them. but I do want a new one of these because I don't know why that just broke. Like I literally haven't even tested it out yet, but they're really cute. Maybe it's just the formula that made it like that, I don't know, but I still would get this as a gift. Probably the pink one more than anything because it's so pretty. So guys, now we're getting into our skincare update chat. So my skin has been going through a lot of phases lately. I think a lot of it has to do with the weather and like when the seasons come to play. You guys, I try to keep my skincare routine as simple as possible. Very minimal, very light. It went from combination oily and dry to being sensitive, oily, and dry, if that makes sense. I don't know how it makes sense, but it makes sense because there's certain areas that have different skin types. Like my T-zone is oily, but in my nose my skin will peel if it's dry during the winter season, of course, because it's really cold and dry in the air. You know, you have to moisturize a lot more. But then I also get oily in that same T-zone, and then it's just sensitive overall in general, like my entire face. Like there's certain products I wouldn't put on my skin or test out or try just because I've been dealing with sensitive skin lately. So guys, I decided to test out a new skincare brand. I have not thrown away my old skincare products. I'm still going to keep them, but I don't think I will be using them at the moment. So I picked up this new brand from Sephora called Elemis. They have their own website, and you can also find them, I'm sure, like Macy's or maybe Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's. But I've been waiting for this to come in my store in Sephora, and then I ordered it because I didn't know if it was like online only. But yeah, I've had it for like 2 weeks and I've been using it for 1 week, and I kind of also wanted to wait to film this video so I can give you an initial review of like how I am so far with it, how the products feel to me, if I like them, if I don't, you know what I mean? So the first product that I have here is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash, and basically it's just a skin refining cleanser. It's supposed to refine, smooth, and cleanse your skin. This is a big girl. She's a big girl right here. I love this, you guys. I think it's a little bit more of like a high-end brand. The price point is a little bit higher than your normal like skincare, but I wanted to try it and I ended up loving it, and my skin likes it. So this is what it looks like. I've used about up to here, so I've used about that much of the cleanser. I really think I would repurchase this. I really like this, you guys. It's so gentle, it's so light, and it has a very light scent to it. It's nothing crazy when it comes to a cleanser. I use 1 to 2 pumps, but I feel like you don't even need that much. I just do it because I always have makeup on, so I know like there's extra makeup still on my skin and stuff, so I kind of like do a little bit more, but you don't need a lot. It smells so good, you guys. This cleanser I would say is more milky and creamy, but it definitely suds up. Okay, so you're technically supposed to like dampen your skin before you cleanse, but I usually just cleanse first and then dampen. It just works for me. I don't know, guys. Either way, I get the same results. My skin is clear. It doesn't feel stripped, which I like. I feel like when I was using the La Roche-Posay cleanser, my skin was like very clean and very stripped feeling, and I didn't like it, but it didn't affect my skin. Like it didn't feel sensitive or anything like harsh. You guys, I just want to say that this product is worth the money. I really love it. I don't know what other skincare brand or routine I would have found if I didn't try Elemis first, but I will be repurchasing. This is a 10 out of 10 and I recommend trying it. They also have these little kits where you can test out things for a really good value price, but I knew I needed a whole entire new skincare routine, so I had no choice but to like buy everything fully, and like it works, so I love it. Alrighty guys, so the next thing that I picked up was a little moisturizer. I technically don't think I use these products right, but I just use it the way I feel like it works best for me. This is the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial, and this is basically a nourishing sleeping cream. It has really good ingredients in it. Like it has cacao, it has banana flour, and it's supposed to nourish, replenish, and revive your skin, which obviously I need all 3 of those things because of the winter season, even though we're heading into spring now. But my skin is still super dry, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. Also love the packaging. It's pink. You guys know it's so cute. Alrighty guys, so on the box it says that you're supposed to cleanse your skin, dry it every night, use minimum of twice a week daily for a skin treatment. I use this as a moisturizer every day. I don't put it on at night as like a night cream. So I pretty much just cleanse my skin normal with that cleanser. I pat my face dry and I will take the tiniest amount of this and moisturize my skin with it, and I don't have any problems with doing that, so I'm gonna continue doing that. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. The packaging is so nice and luxe. You guys, like, how stinking cute is this in this color, you guys? So pretty. So you open it up and this is what it looks like. It smells so good, you guys. I feel like it's such a lightweight cream, but it feels thick and nourishing and moisturizing, which I really love. Would repurchase this again 100% because I feel like it's worth it, and a little goes a long way. I feel like some people use a lot of product. You don't need a lot of product, especially when you're spending so much money on something like that, like, you know what I mean? But I think this will last me a while, and I'm so excited, and I'm really happy that I found this brand, you guys. Alrighty guys, and I felt like it didn't feel right to leave with just a cleanser and a moisturizer, so I also picked up one more item from Elemis. You guys know I've been using retin oil in my skincare routine, and before I started this, I stopped. I gave myself a week because I wanted to get my eyebrows waxed. Ended up not doing that, but I feel like this is like my retin oil. So guys, the last thing that I got from Elemis is this little dynamic resurfacing facial pad, and it's basically a skin smoothing pad, and I love it so much. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's a little jar and it has these little cotton pads, and they're all soaked in the product. I have been ripping it in half because I just think it makes more sense to use half of the pad and just like rub it all over my face 1 to 2 times, and it works, you guys. The scent is very light, you guys. I was kind of scared to put this on my skin, you guys. I was like, oh my god, what if my skin has a reaction? What if I feel like a burning sensation? No, you guys, it's so gentle, it's so light on the skin, like you don't even feel it. But this is basically like my toner of my skin and like my retin oil, because it's like supposed to be like smoothing and stuff, and I still want those effects that I get from retin oil. And I think this is just a simple step, like, you know what I mean? Like, you just wipe your skin with it and that's it. Also, I do really love these two because it does pick up more makeup. Like when I tell you guys I wipe this cotton pad and it's like so brown from my makeup, just tells me that I'm like cleansing my skin even more. Here's how I do my skincare routine. I have not been doing a nighttime routine. I've just been literally taking a wipe and just wiping off my makeup, and that's it. I will use 1 to 2 wipes and fully wipe off all the makeup from my face, just so it's not on my pajamas or like my bedding and stuff. And then in the morning is when I do my skincare routine. So I start off with my cleanser, and then I pat my skin dry, and then I go in with these little skin smoothing pads, and I'll rip half off and just wipe 1 to 2 times of my face. And I also notice there's more makeup that comes off, so this makes me feel like it's a toner. And then after it's completely dried, I go in with the moisturizer, and I use a really tiny amount because I feel like a little goes a long way and you don't need a lot, especially me having oily skin and then having makeup products that are not really good for oily skin. So I kill 2 birds with 1 stone there, and I absolutely love this routine. I've been doing it for like close to 2 weeks now, and I'm frankly obsessed with this. Like, it's so good. I highly recommend trying out any products if you're looking for any new skincare routine steps. Alrighty guys, that's everything that I have in this little Sephora online haul and skincare routine update. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think. I love you all, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.